Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Yev right here. Today I'm gonna show you how to do orchestral loops for Lil Baby. Let's get it. This is how the loop sounds. By the way, if you wanna go get this loop, it's in the royalty-free loop kit. See me out with drop, so go get it. Alright, first the piano. This is how the piano sounds. For the piano, I'm using this flex close grant. E minor and 1/3 beat. Alright, first I got my chords. I got E minor, but I kind of broke it down, put the G later on. E minor, octave down. C major, because you know the formula, you drop 4 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're in C, right? You gotta be a major chord. And then what I did here is I dropped the bass 1 semitone. So I do the same thing on the C major chord. I drop it 1 semitone. For the top melody, you just gotta be really melodic. You gotta be really melodic and a lot of rhythm, because on these beats, what is important is the 1/3 and the rhythm. On the mixer for the piano, just got this reverb, this EQ to cut the lows. Now the strings, this is how they sound. For the strings, I got this staccato violins 1. I do like E minor, then E minor suspended 4th. You know what I'm saying? Following the bass notes from the chords, and then like this quick little melody that's really rhythm again, and it gotta be really melodic too. On the mixer for these strings, I got just this reverb. Then I got these other strings. It's just like E minor chord, you know, and then I just delete these two and put a G octave down. On the mixer for the strings, I just got this reverb, and then I got this one-shot bass. Nothing crazy, I just follow the root notes and do a couple of slides. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching the video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, like. Shout out to the K. I'm out.